Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to the videos are growing, 3071st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, before we get started, please remember the risks involved in this game. Risky, risky, risky. Never trade without protective stops. Always put them in first. What are we looking at for trading on Thursday, May 14, 2026? Traders, the Omni has been flipping every day for the past 10 days. It's bullish one day, it's bearish the next, it's bullish one day, it's bearish the next in U.S. indices. For tomorrow, Thursday, we've got mixed signals, so likelihood is you'll see some Oscarism trades come out. We'll take it one step at a time. But more importantly, the weekly Tesla target remains valid. That doesn't mean it will happen this week. It's a target on a weekly chart. So it could take 2 weeks to get up there. We'll see. Each one of these bars takes 5 full days to populate, right? So it takes a little bit of time to get there. But so far, we're up $30 since we found this target, and we are on our way to $4.99. That target remains valid, even if the Omni signal flip-flops for day trading E-mini S&P. For trading on Thursday, we've got mixed signals, not straight up, not straight down, mixed signals in E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, Russ. So we'll see how we're going to handle that. Just wanted to give you a reminder about Tesla that the target remains valid. I'll do a more comprehensive video for you tomorrow night, and we'll see where we end up for Friday. Thank you for tuning in, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.